Good afternoon. It's a beautiful day in late March, and I brought the Plessisville 7 horsepower into town. It's been out at the farm, and this first run I've actually had it running, trying to kind of work out exactly what it takes to make this one run, because it is a little cantankerous. I think the check valve is not very good in it. I'm probably going to have to work on that, because it has to run on full choke all the time to keep running, otherwise it wants to die all the time. And but that's all right. It seems to be doing okay at the moment. Got to be one of the quietest engines I've ever been around for a big engine like this. Kind of hard to really see the rod and stuff in this one, because it's got the shield and everything going on. In many ways it's very similar to a Hercules, but to be honest, in many ways it's not. The more I look at it, the more I see how I can see it patterned after a Hercules, but definitely not the same. One of the major things, of course, is the exhaust coming out forward out of the head instead of down or out, like most engines have. Has the large lipped hopper opening, but it's square rectangular instead of oval like the Hercules, so it's similar to a economy, but the economies didn't have the lip. The muffler is somebody's homemade, and I think it's a little too restrictive for the engine. It's trying to carbon up a little bit, I think, and that might have part to do with it also, but like I said, I'm just trying to get her going so I know it'll run when I get to Babington's, and then of course I'll get there and it won't, but that's normal. Nice Webster tripolar mag. Pretty good running, pretty good looking old engine.